public comment?
Madam Chair, members of the Commission, my name is Tim Redoubt. I'm with Redoubt News. I'm wearing that hat this morning to ask a couple of questions of the Commission. First question. A couple of weeks ago, one of our citizens in Broadwater County submitted a petition, signatures to raise discussion on what's going on with several things going on with the Public Works Department. Number two question that needs to be answered. Several weeks ago, a letter was read into the record regarding Granite County concerned about what's going on with the Mason Moore account and the funding of that. It's a tragedy, and we need to really just try to make sure that the people know what's going on with local government of Broadwater County and how that's playing out. The next thing is there's several meetings ago, there's been official meetings with the County Commission regarding a concern over county roads. And those county roads, one in particular, Red Hill Road up in the McMaster Hills, BLM land. There's been several meetings, trips up onto that property. The county road, according to what we've been able to decipher, has been closed but never abandoned. And there's a issue pending there, as well as the one that our county attorney brought up with Indian Creek that talks about the possibility of having a county road recognized by this commission in Indian Creek. So then the last, certainly but not least, several, I can't say how many, several meetings, this commission and the commission before Commissioner Bolford come on, raised questions about what to do with a county-owned building that was stored out at the county yard here in the city. That building came from the Forest Service as a donation for the Rural Fire District. A couple of weeks ago, I asked our Rural Fire Chief, Mr. Schindel, what the status of that is, and what he told me was that they're working still forward to get the agreement between the private property owner where that public building was put and the district, but yet there's still a legal problem with access or easement to that property, and that's not been resolved. So please get the people updated on what's going on to that. And the reason I'm bringing that one up as Redoubt News, a lot of the private landowners have been saying, hey, how come that building with its value or otherwise have not been put up for public offering in an auction or something. You know, there's a lot of people that said, hey, I would love to have a chance at that building too. With that said, Madam Chair, members of the Commission, please move forward towards transparency. Thank you.
Any other public comment? Public comment? Public comment. All right. We will move forward in our agenda.